after co-work, nakita ko tong building, tapos may ginagawa. So, naturally, na-curious ako. Uy, dito si NP.
Ay, nakita kong isang babae.
Ay,
Good evening, NP.
good evening sa inyo. Yes, ano
Sir,
magagawa ko?
so anong ginagawa natin ngayon dito, sir?
Actually, kakatapos ko lang ng mga meetings because nilarush namin yung mga activities and everything. And we wanted nga itong Reimagine project, REAP Reimagine project, make sure na by June, end of June, matapos na. It could be used by our members. No?
Mm-hmm.
This is our one of things that we want to give back. And it's due naman na ma-renovate din yung ating headquarters. At maging proud naman tayo sa home of Filipino architects.
Yeah.
So ito yung nakikita mo, mga markers yan, nagdonate ng lupa, yung mga people involved from different eras tuloy mga national board who help out no, para mabuo yung ating headquarters. From materials, from a lot of things, no, from mga industry suppliers natin, sponsors, nang participated way back then. So since 2002, it was first inaugurated when the designer architect Vasquez nag-design ng ano ito. It's a competition actually. And but right now, fast forward 2024, I think kailangan natin i-update na. Kasi this used to be a restaurant, this used to be the lobby, but it's about time for us na magamit talaga yung facilities ng mga architects. So I wanted mga architects to have a place for them to come here, to close contracts, relax ng konti, di ba? Head business center, yung kausap ng secretariat, and whatever things that need sa ating orgs, dito nila makukuha. So, pasok tayo, tignan nyo. Okay, so right now, what you're looking at is, this used to be the restaurant to before. So, medyo inayos namin, we made use it. So ito, akit ka dito, it could be a space for lounge. Yung office na yon for the officers, pag may mga short meetings, pag mga clients meet dito, or may mga visitors. Tapos may lounge din dyan, you could have a working, if you need to work konti. Wag lang everyday kasi baka mapuno tayo, but nevertheless yan, lahat yan magkakaroon ng tables, chairs, lounging areas. Yung area doon sa likod, yun exciting part, no? Yan, paakyat yan. It's like an amphitheater. May charging station. Grass yan actually pag nakikita mo eh. Tapos this going up to the mezzanine. Mezzanine is our secretariat, no? Where you transact business or mga kung kailangan bayaran, assistance and everything. Lahat dyan, nandyan na sila. So andito na lahat talaga, business center. Then, ang kaganda nito, we'll set up something here na parang officer of the day na parang they'll welcome you, yung mga nagwo-work dito, para kung ano yung mga needs ng mga architects and how we'll be able to reach out and tulungan yung mga membro natin. We'll be collaborating with other architects. Tsaka yung landscape, no? Yung, dahil since I'm also landscape architect, I like to collaborate also as well with yung mga organization like yung PALA nga na org namin. So this is eventually maging outdoor park na may landscape, seating, tapos we have tables, chairs. Kaya inangat namin yung mga aircon yan para malinis, may wall garden dyan eventually. So with lights, para gusto mo relax mood. Yan. Then, yung mga glass natin sa baba, there will be stickers, may mga maps of Quezon City and different era. Isa pa exciting part dito, just to show you, magkakaroon to ng archway. Para yan, it will be this kitchen, existing siya, tingnan ninyo, kayong may first, dito. Just imagine this kitchen. It would be designed as parang studio na kitchen. Tapos parang loft style, may mga bricks, may center table na island, and may ref. You could have a meeting here, you could cook, basic cooking, di ba? Tapos mag-meeting kayo with your chapter or officers, no? This is part of the service ng UAP, no? Sa ina natin. Exciting actually. So, mas casual. Then, ang isang bagay na in-improve namin, careful, dito is the toilet facilities. Kasi we wanted our toilet facilities to be ranked, at least makakuha kami ng tinatawag namin 5 stars, being inclusive, no? Yung sa ating mga PWDs, di ba? Tapos yung sa babae, we wanted yung female na mas maraming cubicles, dati kasi konti eh, tapos hindi nakikita from outside. So, yun yung dinidevelop right now here at the back. Halika. Sana matapos namin. We're finishing it. And everything compliant, no? Andyan yung aking mga kasama sa Reimagine, our National Treasurer and our CCAE Executive Director. Sila yung punong abala. Yan yung magiging female toilet. Ginagawa. Na-compliant. And this is yung sa male toilet. Na-ayos din namin. Ang konti. And ito na yung bagong PWD. Na kasi we wanted yung real sample talaga niya. Malaki may PWD talaga siya. Tapos may wash area para mas happy yung mga and sample na rin ng mga architects. Di ba? Of pag dito yung client nila, nag-close sila ng contracts or gusto ng project, mapapakita nila to na ito yung pwedeng mangyari sa project. Kasi just imagine, dati yung tingnan color namin kulay pink. But anyway, right now, gusto ko kasi maging siya eh. Parang architect's work na siya. Architect's work na sample, hindi naman, parang specs. Mas specifications nandyan na we have made use of materials that, ito pala yung sample ng marble. Ito pala yung sample ng granite. Pwede palang ganito. So, lahat yan magkaka-QR code from our industry partners na nagbigay ng lighting, nagbigay ng lahat yan. Sana umilaw na pala. Uy, maliwanag pala. So, ito, magkakaroon ng wall cladding, nag-start na, marble. Kasi why marble? We wanted to showcase Philippine marble, lalo na galing kay Teresa Marble. Ang ganda, parang isip mo marble luma. Pero nung pinili yan talaga nung team na they went to the quarry, they chose anong tamang marble. Ayan, yan yung lumabas. And then this will be cladded. And basahan natin dito, objective natin, different types of materials that could be used for finishing. Para yung architect, kasama niya yung client, dito pa nag-close sila, they will be able to discuss doon sa client, ganito yung marble, ganito yung itsura ng cement look, ganito yung acoustic tile, ganito yung corrugated, That's the purpose. If you see, there are a lot of materials. Yung railing namin glass, railing. And here to, yung bagong tibing malaki. Wow! Parang meron kaming project dyan. Ginamit din namin sa Conex na exhibit, no? Kasi we wanted everything, lahat na may use siya. And ito, kilala niyo to? Si RK. Dati tao yan sa loob. Naawa ko sa tao eh. So nagbabago ng damit yan. No? Parang mascot natin sa UAP. Di ba? Pero dati kasi loob niyan tao. Kasi naman yan, gusto mo suotin, pwede. Kaya naawa ko, mainit sobre. So ito na, actually nagkaroon ng soft opening to sa 49th anniversary natin, March 26. Na anniversary tayo last time. And ginamit na to, kaya lang hindi pa tapos na tapos. Hopefully full blast namin matapos. Kasama yun sa labas with the flooring changes. At least to mabigay namin sa members. Exciting actually, marami pa sa upper part na mangyari. Mga co-working space, museum, yung dorm, yung teatro, yung materials, laboratory. Excited, no? Sana lahat matapos namin. Hopefully. And everyone would be able to maximize the use of the space. And it's a learning experience kasi gusto namin pupuntahan talaga siya. You don't go to the headquarters just to do transactions for Ayapoa or whatever. But you wanted you to go here na proud ka na nito sa House of, parang you're part of it. Parang yan yung share mo sa UAP because you're giving your share every year. At least may magamit ka rin naman. And that's the reason we are releasing yung ID. I hope meron kayong ID. Pero nag-National Convention kayo, free kayo. Pag nag-National Convention kayo, free ID kayo. Punta niyo yung chapter niyo. We issued sa chapter niyo lahat ng ID niyo. Your ID, which is called IMUAP card, may andon yung photo niyo, andon yung, ayan po, numbers niyo. Tapos at the back is a QR code. The QR code is your electronic digital calling card. So pag kinlik yun, lilipat lahat ng mga info niyo. So ganun ka-high-tech na yon. Then nakalink yan sa ating, eventually dito, pag every time you want to use the facility, you'll be able to monitor na kung how frequent you are using the facility. Papasok yung information. May point system din na may freebies and everything. Ito, complementary. We're targeting initially complementary, but eventually, yung sa taas, sa second floor, once nakalipat na yung mga secretariat, doon tayo magagawa ng yun yung medyo may bayad na para masustain din natin. Ito, paano natin masusustain? Kasi may mga industry partners kami naka-partner which we awarded last March 26. In return, they'll put up yung mga brochures nila, yung mga QR code. Yun in return yung pag nakita mo, pag i-scan mo, ito pala yung company na nagbibigay naman itong materials, and ganito, magagamit mo. Parang it's really a give and take. Showroom of showroom. Parang ganun ang inisip natin. Yun yung aming plan gawin dito. Ito pa lang yung sa ground floor, second floor. Supposedly, tapos to parang railing ka, ginawa ko dito railing mataas. Para hindi nakakatakot. Mga 1.2 para, kasi modern yung approach eh. Then, supposed to be, this is sound, supposed to be ito, tahimik na room. Pero inaayos pa namin. Yan, this is supposed to be a acoustically sound na, dito yung TV. Meron kami ganito kasi maraming lamok ngayon. Dito lang kami gagamit ng meeting minsan pag biglang may visitor para they don't have to go up. Kasi,
Quiet talaga siya, guys.
ayun. So hindi pa naayos siya. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa yung system that we will plan to put up. Ito yung the slab. So ito, malaki to eh. Nabuhat. Tapos lalagyan lang ng top bars. Yan, nabuhusan na, tapos na. So it's a Japanese technology. We plan to bring the technology here. Napansin medyo tahimik siya, pero hindi 100% eh. Pero we're trying to, para makita na yung differentiation ng ano yung normal sound, ano yung meron di sound. Yan. Tapos to, sample to, kasi yung railing transition, minsan hindi mo makuha ang perfect. So, gusto ko kasi mataas eh. Standard natin 0.9 lang, pero takot kasi ako sa mababa. And alam mo naman natin, you want security para medyo mataas din. Ito hindi pa final finish yan, may pang-finish. Ito actually, it's a fire exit. Then eventually, kung allowed nga sana, ang nakikita ko dito, gusto ko sana, I would like people to really use the facility, walk. Tapos may parang storyline, may nakikita na history ng parang it's a walking museum, no?
Hindi ko yung hotel ako napuntahan sa Antipolo.
Ganon. Sa pinto, hindi ba yung I wanted na parang to utilize this as gano'n na nga, na magamit siya, tapos medyo mag-graphic nga. Yeah. So right now, ito yung bagong secretariat office. So andito lahat ng secretariat. Yan yung mga initial sample of merchandise ng UAP. Hindi ko na Pero these are dating setup na yan. Na setup nila. O si Glacial, dito pa. O ay aking executive secretary, hinihintay pa ako dito. Di pa kasi ako nag-recording. Dito yung tarmac, tawag ko dito yung airport eh. Pag may darating titignan mo ganyan. Actually, ito ang concept na ito. Sabi ko, bakit nakatakip? Hindi full. Ang concept pala niyan, para sila, hindi ka kita rin yung nag-work dito, hindi kita. Wow. Ang mas may nakakita yung from top, pababa. So, yun, inaayos namin yung marble. Giniba namin yung marble. Kasi yung transition hindi maganda eh. So, yung color niya, biglang yung book match, hindi nag-match. So, giniba yung a portion of the marble. So, importante kasi nasa architect, hindi pwedeng-pwede na eh. So ngayon nais namin yung from dark to pa-light siya doon na ano. Alam natin natural, pero kailangan hindi abrupt. Kasi dati biglang dark, naging dark, naging light eh. Nagkaroon ng pattern sa gitna, hindi na okay. So pag naayos tong elevator, hindi na mga ngain, mag-open na dyan. Mezzanine. This used to be the museum. Ayan, kita mo yan, no? So, temporary, in-occupy namin. So, eventually, babalik namin ulit yung pagka-museum niya. So, may mga nakastand dyan dito eh. Pero, I replanned the museum all at the back na. This in front will be the co-working space. Ito yung mga offices that architects could rent for a day. Para kunyari, kliyente nila. We'll just repaint and modernize konti. Yan, magiging... So, pag na-modernize na siya, nakaset up na eh. For a co-working space. Diba? Sayang eh. Walang gumagamit nito actually. Diba? Malalaki ito. Mga rooms dito. Malalaki din. Kaya ang dami lang lamok. Hindi na problema. Pero luman-luma na to. This is the original Hindi pa siya na-renovate. So, we plan to renovate it. So for the meantime, mag-part to ng co-working to yung bigger space. So nung dati dito kami nag-occupy. Ito yung office ko na dito kami nag-office. Yan. Maliit lang. So nung ni-skip namin yung 5th floor, ito muna kami. We concentrated everyone here. Sama-sama kami di-discuss. And yun, eventually lahat yan, ito magiging co-working, so pwedeng nirentahan na siya per day. Tapos this mga museum pieces, marami yan eh, nakatago lang, will be put there at the back. This is our studio. Dilim. Yan, meron pa kanya on air eh. Sa on air pala yan. Yan, tingnan mo to. Pwedeng, pag pinindot mo siya, pag gano'n siya, i-on mo, pag may taping recording kayo, wow! Studio 53 on air. Ito yung isa sa mga iniwan ni the late National President Rene Heray. Ang nag-inaugurate nito si Ted Filon.
Oh.
Tapos after that, nagka-COVID si Sir Rene.
Pwedeng mag-podcast.
Yes.
Sir.
Kaya lang dito lang kasi acoustic, I think this needs to be improved. If yun hindi, sayang wala, hindi ko alam sa may ilaw eh. Dati may may studio, talaga, may table.
Exciting.
Actually, ito sana yung gagamit namin eh.
Pag na-launch yung boom.
So parang yan, may parang studio siya. Pero luma kasi na to. Papalitan ko acoustic, everything. Saan lahat? Magawa pa. Their setup, different setup. Tapos to may to complete system, yung radio broadcast. Live, ganyan. Tapos dito yung parang TV Patrol, yung Q&A. Kaya ganyan yung background niya. Yan. Tapos dito would be, ito yung convert namin into museum. So, I want to convert this space into museum na. So, right now, ito ginagamit naman temporary pag may mga meetings kami, board meetings, blah, blah, blah. Ngayon, yung mga convention storage ba? Dito pa, mga kits. Mga props. Marami pang aayusin, pero ang laki ng potential ng space. Hopefully, yun yung din-discuss namin. Sabi ko, at least makita lang changes, yung konting major malinis. Diba? Then, para maialok ko sa mga industry partners natin na how to work on it. Ito, imagine to, way back, computer laboratory. Ito yung nagtuturo ng CAD dito before. Way back yan. Siguro mga 15 years, 6, 7, 20 years ago. Ano yan? Dati PDC, tagang professional development. So lahat ng mga gusto mong learnings, everything dito ginagawa. Yung wall na yan yung mga initial chapters dati pero hindi na siya kompleto, hindi nga yung number 1. Yung sa taas yung mas tama. Kasi yung una-una, Isibo chapter. Kulang na to. The white version is mas tama. Ayun. Oo. So, punta kayo. Next natin is, ayun pala, nakalagay yung UAP Museum, oh. Hindi ko napansin, meron pala ako. Ano here? Nung first term ko, nilaunch ko yan. Ito. AP Museum. So, before museum siya. Yan. AP Museum siya before. Yan. Yan. Yung dati kasi walang budget pa, pero ano yung pwedeng magawa? Tinatry ko. So, nakaano lang, di ba? Pinapunit namin sa ano muna. But eventually, actually, the table na ginamit ni Tomas Mapua, the first architect, was exhibited here for 1 month. Wow! And hiningi ko siya actually maging permanent fixture. But kailangan lang namin pag-alagaan yung with the family. Kasi in-unveil namin yung marker niya. So, hopefully, siya, property ng UAP at maging sample ba na inspiration sa mga dito nagsimula dating architects. Parang ganyan. Kaya lang talagang 2 years is so short for me. So we'll go to the last floor, which is 7th floor. We call it Teatro Arquitecto. So it's a theater, more or less 200 plus seating, and cinema. So yun yung hopefully by June matapos namin. Cosmetic na lang, tsaka konting acoustic something. Yan, laki to actually. Dito kami nag-induction before. Yan, meron pa 2nd floor. So, papapindo, andyan yung paint tapos konting acoustic treatment, bagong aircon. Ayun ito yung donation, Dinonate sa akin, yan. Alam mo yun yung ano lang pag alam nilang ginagawa mo, ang bilis humingi. Ito yan bigay nila.
Can we do research here, sa materials?
Oo, that's the purpose actually. That's our purpose.
Research center.
Parang yun yung gusto natin mangyari. And nakita dito ni Architect Dom Galicia when I invited the other architects, the likes of sila Roy Pineda, sila Mendoza ng Bard Architects, si William T., George Yulo was here, Andy Locsin. Basta yung that group, they went here. Nakita ni Dom to sabi niya, wow, big potential, glass, di ba? Kaya pinatagal ko muna yung mga curtains. Lahat yan, pagkita mo, glass yan. Di ba? Tapos there's a projector. Kailangan lang ayusin yung projector. Luma na rin kasi Jurassic. Yung LED we had tried, pero mukhang hindi workable yung LED walang may maintain. So, yan yung ating HQ at a glance. And hopefully, then magka-concert, minsan may yan dito, CPDs. Perding mong kulay, di ba? Baby blue! Di ba? Yeah, tapos ito yung sabi ko, duktong sa baba. So, itong renovation, I plan to open up this wall para ito yung parang lobby lalabas ng theater. Tapos it's connected to the function room sa baba. Ayan, may hagdanan So, medyo gagrant ko lang konting stairs. Hindi siya ganyan. Ayusin ko siya. Sayang lang. Sabi ko, 2 months lang. Sayang, hindi ako mabot. Yeah. Sayang, sabi ko, sana ma-push. I mean, yung ganito, kaya buti nga dyan yung ibang officer who helped me kuha ng tao para matapos lang. Diba? Yan, okay. So, I hope that you able to enjoy the short tour here at our headquarters, and I hope that everyone will be able to make use, and sana matapos namin this June, so you'll be able to use the facilities. And as well, my message probably, sana mahalin ninyo itong bahay ng arkitekto once we have given this to our members. And sabi ko nga, everyone has a role to play in this game. So lahat tayo, regardless of where you are, everyone has supposed to have equal opportunity, and same time, we'll have something that we'll be proud of. When you meet clients, when you meet suppliers, hindi na tayo pakalat-kalat kung saan-saan. We'll be able to go to a restaurant, to a coffee shop. Right now, at least you could say, hey, I have I have an office, headquarters, your client, wow, would say, di ba, there's an address, or this architect is credible. That's the reason we have incorporated the ID and to monitor as well who are the members of UAP and legit architects, no? So, yun yung kailangan namin, purpose namin. So, digitalization, we maximize that one. And everything here boils down an experiential headquarters. It's not just a headquarters that you have to go to do business transaction, but a headquarters that you could relax, you could transact your business, parang work and play, di ba? Contemporary, you need to wait. Instead of waiting a coffee shop, you wait here with complimentary coffee, with all the drinks nandyan, so you could relax. You could see friends, you could network with other architects, you'll be able to see them here. Take that opportunity, and I think that will be the focus that we have right now, is to have an equal opportunity for each and every architect. Wherever you are, wherever part of the globe you are, you'll be able to say, oh, we have a headquarters to meet up. Meron tayong bat cave that we could be able to meet in any case that we need to. No? So, and the reputation and credibility na hinahanap natin from the clients, na may sense of ownership ka. Wow, parang UAP. Meron akong headquarters and may business address din ako that I'll be able to make use. No? And these are the things that we are trying to work on, and hopefully it will be supported, and hopefully it could sustain the growing needs of our members. No? Currently we have more or less 55,000 going 57,000 already. So just imagine that, no? Andito tayo, and hopefully you see everything here, the materials that is available sa market, the industry partners will be able to meet up. So these things, client, everything, I have said so much. And hope, di ba? Within just few months, I could accomplish that through the UAP Reimagine project, and sana ma-appreciate ng mga members yung ginawa natin and ginawa ng National Board of Directors for the 2 fiscal years that I became the national president, and this is one of the vision that I hopefully na maging reality, and it's becoming a reality. It's becoming a reality talaga. So thank you ako talaga sa mga industry partners, the board, the architects who believe in this project. So they supported and make it realize. Ayan na, wala. Konting oras na lang, konting days na lang, you'll be able to maximize the space. To the Architribe community, welcome to our headquarters, welcome to UAP. I also want to thank everyone who visited here. No? So, and I hope hindi ito yung huling pagkakataon that we'll be able to do this conversation. And as always, kahit hindi ako tayo national president, sana kilala nyo pa rin ako. I will be able to share my thoughts, I shall share my vision, and share the leadership, and how probably we have to look forward to sa profession natin. No? The protection, the branding, the improvement, and always aiming high, no? That we'll never be contented, and as well have a global competitive mindset, and be a game changer. Don't be afraid that you don't get the majority, but be afraid pag you don't dream anymore. Yun ang dapat natin, lagay sa mind. You always have to dream big. You have to try to reach or achieve higher heights, no? Aim high as always, and you never go wrong siguro, as long as you are nandito sa puso mo yung pag-serve, and nasa puso mo yung ating profession, protection of profession.
Okay, ayun. So, naligaw lang tayo kanina, pero na-tour na natin yung buong HQ. So, exciting. Balik tayo pag marami ng changes. And excited na ako matulog dito. Tapos, mapanaginipan si Father Frank Lloyd Wright. Ayun. Thank you, sir, sa pagpapapasok sa amin.
Thank you din. Sana hindi kayo napagod sa kadaldalan ng national president.
Yes, nag-enjoy kami sobra.